Perfect. Now, we're going to videotape, record a YouTube video of my air horns blasting, just seeing how loud the measure with this particular decibel meter I got. It's not a very good one. It's $54.95. So, where is it? What do I do with it? Oh, here it is. It's a sound level meter, QM 1591, and it does 30 decibels to 130 decibels. If it's a loud sound, it's applied very strong, long time, it can apply to 134.5 decibels. That's the most I've ever seen it register. And blowing your phone with this thing stuck in the decibel reader meter stuck in the end of the euphonium. Wait, no, it's not the euphonium that measures that much, it's the trombone, that's right. Today's video is going to be air horns, trying air horns at different distance, with the meter different distances, a way to see which distance measures the most accurate, and then comparing it with some sort of calculator, and then working out exactly how many decibels they are from a meter away. Put the decibel meter on, measure it from first 2 meters, up here, there we go, up there. Average conversation at 70 decibels. I'll put my earmuffs on because it's going to be very loud. I don't want to blast my eardrums. Pop the press out a bit more. Ready, set, go. Well, wait on. Before I start, headphone users, turn your volume down. It's going extremely loud. 1, 2, 3. Sounds loud with the headphones on. Still get pretty loud with the headphones on. It's flat pretty quickly, isn't it? That was about 30 psi roughly. How many decibels did it read? 118.2. Wow. Well, it'd be a lot more than that. It's 1 meter away if it had been a professional meter. I tried about right behind the horns. Just here. Try it. Wow! Sorry, that's watch phone. Didn't sound very loud with the headphones on. If I had the headphones on, it lost my eardrums if I had the headphones on. Right. Over here on an angle. Let's see how it gets to me this time. again. Ready, set, go, blast! 22.6. Boy! That was from 2 meters away, so this 6 decibels loud per meter closer, so it's a 6, imagine selling 100 decibels from 1 meter away is 100 decibels, measure it from 2 meters away, it's 94 decibels, so measuring 2 meters away, it measures 122.6. That means that meter away, it's going to be about 121, 120, 119, 119, 117, 106, hang on, going up, not down, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 120, right about 129 decibels from 1 meter away. But I reckon it's louder than that, because the decibel meter doesn't read as much when the sound's too loud for it. Now, try from in front of the air horns. One last go, because it's late, and I want to wake Mel and Patrick up. They're probably going to bed soon, probably tea at the moment. So go check off, on, set, max, then I hope that can press on a bit more again. Excuse me, that's my blast, 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 blast! That shook my voice recorder. Crikey! Oh boy! How many decibels? 128.2, but it was meter away, so it's probably about 140 at this stage now. Close to 140. Obviously the price was 140. Lucky I had my earmuffs on. Sound very late with my headphones, what's saying headphones? Earmuffs! Imagine, I'm not sitting inside you, Red Bell. Take one headphone off and see how loud it is with the one off. Just one off in case it deafens me too much. Just want to see how loud it is from inside the canopy. One headphone off. A headphone? Earmuffs! Turn the pump down. Take one earmuff off just partially and blast quickly, and then try again with the earmuff off a bit more and try again and see how many decibels it is. And I blast the final time with the whatever time, 3 or 4 times total. See how many decibels it is from my ear. Hold the decimeter to my ear. See how many decibels it is. 110.1. Try again. 115.1. Gee, it's pretty loud. I reckon maybe you should take that. I'll try one more time with the press to close to max pressure, and then take my earmuff off just partially to see how loud it's going to be, and my ear directly, and hold them in right to my ear and see how many decibels it is from my ear. So I'm going to Alright, this thing on the earphone. Hold it to my earphone to my. Hang on, just lift it up harshly. That was pretty hard on my ear. I didn't set it again. Set it again. Stick my decibel meter under right to my ear, where my ear is, and just lift it up and blast it and see how many decibels it reads from directly up below the ear muff. 1, 2, 3, bang! Oh, crikey, that was freaking loud. Sorry, I swore. Oh, hell. 118.9. My ear's gone blank. Oh, dear. 118.9 from right near my eardrum. That's pretty loud. Whew, that's so loud. Oh boy. 118.9 from directly under the ear muff, with my ear muff lifted off my head. Crikey, that was loud. That's louder than Red Motortrike's air horns. Gee. Oh boy. Turn off. Finish the video. Like and subscribe. Let's turn the buttons. Press the buttons. Turn the video down. I'm going to just show red lightning bolt in the picture whilst in the video whilst I turn the camera off, so you can see my red lightning bolt. I'm saying red lightning bolt for red bell. This is red bell on my truck. I'll stop. Thanks for watching. Good night. Have a nice sleep. Wait until the video comes onto YouTube, then you'll be quite amazed with what I've come up with. Thanks for watching.